How to share prompt notes on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can share prompt notes on Instagram. For this, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, log into your account by entering your credentials. Here, if you want to share prompt notes, you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then you want to tap on your profile icon over here where it says your note. You're going to find different icons over here. You have the music icon, you have the question mark icon, and you have the camera icon. You can use any of these to share your notes, but since you want to share prompt notes, you want to tap on the middle icon, which is the question mark icon. Once you tap on this, it's going to say write a prompt. So you can go ahead and enter your prompt over here. If you want to add responses, you can tap on add a response option over here as well. Then go ahead and tap on the share option. So as you can see, the prompt note has been successfully shared, and you can tap on the response option to check out the responses. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.